Here I have a Keithley 175 with a broken screen beyond repair. And so the purpose of this project is to replace the screen with an OLED screen. So I unscrewed the multimeter and reverse engineer, not quite because I have the schematics, but I reverse engineer with a lot of time and coffee the protocol, and now I'm making a spy device with an Arduino Uno, and you can see here the lines. And I finally arrived at the point where I can read the screen value within my computer. This was quite the effort. And so I booked on Mouser.com an LCD with a similar topology of the broken one, and this helped quite a lot because I didn't know what the screen was supposed to show. And so this is a typical data frame. The first part is setting the register in the screen IC, so I don't need that. And the second part is all the screen data. So you have the mode, you have the value of the segments. So this was the hard part, and so this is starting to work.